what we got to do is we're moving these cows. I got to get into there, and then we move them from down there all the way through this chute. It's not even a chute, it's just what we have here. And then we're supposed to get them right through that gate. So we just got to make a little chute corral type of thing, put them in there. There's way more grass and pasture out there. So the reason we're moving these cows from this pen to the other pasture across the road is because this is the one that we basically raise the calves in, just so we can keep an eye on them until they're big enough or old enough. And then we end up sending them back to the other side once they're about a month or so old. So this black one here was the last one to have her calf. It was the one that I carried up from across the stream. We do that, you know, so we're able to actually keep an eye on them. So here's a video of what that was.
This one's very full.
Way up the hill,
how cute he is.
And this was only a few weeks ago, and you can see the difference in size compared to what he looks like now. That little black one on the right running. So then we're just getting back to it, about to move him across. Look who showed up.
You like that? Or do you need me? What are you doing now?
You see the chute? This usually actually works good. Like, this actually works really good.
You know, since you got your little loafers on, you just kind of just stand here, and then when we go and get them by the barn, just run down. Come on, Mama.
Ready?
Yeah, here. Oh, you want to drive them?
Yeah.
You drive them.
Come on, cows. Come on. Look at these little guys. Uh-oh, they're running. Come on, calf. Come on. Look at that. Oh, there's so many freaking flies too.
He's like, I know these fuckers are over here.
Yeah, Dana, what do you think of the chute?
Yeah, they're gone.
Works way better than the process before.
What?
Where they would just go straight down the driveway.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's about to start sprinting. Oh shit, probably should have closed the gate. So then usually we keep them out in this pasture until like November, just basically until the first frost or snow starts to come, just because there's way more grass out here, and then kick them over to the other side. And then the calves are usually like 400 pounds or so.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. What are you looking at?